Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for February the 9th to the 11th, 2013, that's Saturday to Monday. Well, there's more snow on the way for some of us, but first let's look at Friday's highs. 10 degrees the high in Shannon in Ireland, and many other places in Ireland and in the southwest of England getting near that. The low temperatures only at a few places below freezing or around freezing, as you can see there. And the headline for this weekend is rain and sleet for the west on Saturday, heavy snow moving in for the east on Sunday, with more rain and sleet for the rest of the country. Let's take a look at the current situation in terms of air pressure. Don't forget, lower means more inclement weather generally. A large low pressure system moving into the North Atlantic over the next few days, which will spawn another low pressure system which will be around the Irish Sea area over the next few days. And Saturday you can see it already moving in from the west, bringing in rain for most of us, but sleet for the West Midlands and northwest England. The rest of us will stay away from rain, that being the east coast and Scotland, where sunshine may appear in the far east and the far north. Saturday's temperatures slightly below average for most of us, 4 degrees over most parts of England, but more seasonal weather for the far west and southwest, 7 to 10. With Saturday night comes more rain and sleet showers, particularly heavy rain for the south and western areas, turning into sleet further north into the northwest and the West Midlands again there. Staying dry in the east except for the southeast and London, where it will remain overcast along the east coast, with temperatures there, the low temperatures of 0 degrees, but in the rain 6 to 8 degrees as a nighttime temperature there for Saturday night. So let's look into Sunday, where the first of the widespread snow will arrive, particularly in eastern areas, inland as well, along the coast. Should be snow-free, sleet and rain really, and that will be the case for west of the Pennines and Cumbria as well, where it will remain as sleet, probably not snowing except for higher ground. Rain for the south and sleet for the southeast, but temperatures there chilly, 2 to 3 degrees generally, 6s and 7s in the south and southwest, and in the south of Ireland as well, 7 degrees there. Sunday night, the heavy snow disappearing really, but a large blanket of lighter snow showers will cover a lot of the country on Sunday night, pretty much anywhere north of London, and as far north as Edinburgh and the Scottish Highlands, which will receive snow. Rain for Ireland, drizzly mainly there, and for the south-west of England as well, with low temperatures around freezing for most, -1 to -3 in the Scottish borders and into Scotland as well, into the Highlands where it will be -3. And now to Monday, where the snow will remain for the northeast of England and Scotland, but sleet further south except for parts of the West Midlands, where snow may resume in some inland areas where it will stay a little bit colder than elsewhere. Not really much in the way of sunshine, but perhaps Norfolk and East Anglia will receive a little bit of that. Temperatures 3 to 4 degrees generally, perhaps 5 degrees along the south coast, which is below average for February. The February average around 6 to 7 degrees for this time of year. Monday night will be a dry night for many, except again the northeast of England and into all eastern areas of Scotland, where we'll see light snow, perhaps heavy on the hills as well, but elsewhere overcast with a few breaks in the cloud, perhaps in the far south and southwest of England and in southern Ireland as well. Temperatures will be cold, -2, the lowest temperature you'll probably see in the northwest of England, and around freezing elsewhere, perhaps just above freezing for the lucky few in the east and south. There would have been another weather forecast tomorrow, but as I'm away, that is not very likely. Stay tuned for another weather forecast in a few days' time.